Bonjour, this is Chairman Dupuis. I'm here today with a PSA, and I'm here with my colleague, Dr. Reynolds, and we're going to turn it over to her. She's going to give you some information, and when she's done, I'll give you a quick note before we end the PSA. Don't be glitch.
Hi everybody, I'm here to answer some questions that we got at our last PSA. Thank you so much for submitting those. We'd like to talk about the fact that variants are the #1 strain of the COVID-19 virus at this time. So we know that the UK virus is the one that is most predominant in the region and in this area. So we do know that it is more contagious than what was present before. It does lead to more deaths as well. So we need to continue to be very careful. We need to continue to use our masks and socially distance because we know that this has worked. Our other tool is to get vaccinated as well. Even though we have the vaccine, it's not 100% effective. It's a 90% effective. And the virus is smart. It has mutated so that maybe it will make the vaccine less effective. Scientists are working to be able to produce a booster for the vaccine so that in the future, in the near future, we can get a booster and get protected against these variants. But at this moment, we need to continue to use all the tools in our bag to continue to stay safe. We'd like to talk about children's vaccines. So there are trials currently. Moderna has a trial for children and working on to see that it is safe to use and that it is effective. Likely end of year or the beginning of 2022 is when those will be ready for general population. We do know that the vaccine does give, we have some adverse reactions from them. And you can have a delayed reaction of a rash on your arm. Some lymph nodes can be swollen. These things, we do see that our body builds up an immunity. Those are what are called delayed reactions due to immunity. But so far, we continue to report those and are watching those. And we do know if you get your vaccination against COVID-19, that you are preventing death and you are preventing severe disease. And that's what we're working on so that we can go back to a normal reality. So thank you for your questions and please keep them coming. I'll turn it back over to the chairman.
Thank you, Dr. Reynolds. I just want to give a little shout out to our elders who've done the due diligence of getting vaccinated. I think they've done their part for our community. I think right now in the position that we're in, the younger generation, which the UK virus is really attacking, if you have the ability, please get vaccinated. Continue to maintain the social distancing that we have, the protocols that are put in place. Washing your hands, wearing your mask, and staying under groups of 15. Do this. Take your part in the community. I know it's something that comes from in. You're going to have to make that decision. But to carry on the future of our people, to maintain our healthy community. And just a quick note, for the ones who are going to be going out in the woods, the wild onions are about 4.5, 5 inches out of the ground, and stinging nettle has always also came out of the ground. So if you're going to go start going foraging and looking for the medicines and plants that are out there, them are two that have been exposed themselves already. And again, the onions are about 5 inches out of the ground, and stinging nettle has also. So if you wanted a chance to go out, the ones who don't know, give me a call or text or email, and we can make some trips out in the woods and start looking for some of these medicines and foods. Miigwech.
Thank you. Be well.